Hey guys, it's Joe and Goody. Today we're in Alameda and we're going to head out and sail to Angel Island.
Plan is we're going to go out the Oakland Ship Channel, through the Bay Bridge, into the San Francisco Bay, past Alcatraz, back around the north side of Angel Island, where we're going to tie up at Ayala Cove. Hopefully get out on the bikes a little bit, do a ride around the island, and this afternoon we're going to come back around the north side of the island, through the other span of the Bay Bridge, and back through the Oakland Ship Channel to Alameda.
So we'll see you out there. Stick with us.